Okay, question number 30. A beverage company has 235 employees, of which 200 participate in at least one of the company's two payroll saving plans. If 170 participate in Plan A and 125 participate in Plan B, how many participate in both payroll savings? This question is from the topic set theory. Okay. Now I would like to draw a diagram, a Venn diagram, to demonstrate so that I can properly use that diagram to interpret all these parameters, all these facts. Okay. Our diagram is set. So now let's do the proper interpretation. The beverage company has 235 employees. That means the total workers they have is for 235, and that represents our universal set. Universal set means is that set that contains every other set that you can think of. Okay. Of which 200 participate in at least one of the company's two payroll saving plan. So that means out of these 235 employees, 200 participate in either of these two payroll plan. So we have payroll plan A here, and we have plan B here. So 200 participate in at least any of these. So that means out of that 235, is only 200 that participate. That means 35 do not participate in any of the payroll. So you write the 35 out of the circle. That means they are not in A, they are not in B. If it were to write it in expression, that would have been A union B, or what? Prime will be equals to what? 35. That means A union B. That means if you join those that use plan A and those that use plan B, prime means those who do not follow A union B. So I write it here outside the circle. So the next part here is if 170 participate in plan A. Okay, plan A has 170 participants, and 125 participate in plan B. Plan B has 125 participants. How many participate in both payroll savings? How many? That is here X. This is what they are looking for. This place stands for those who participate in both plan A and plan B. If you are to write that in expression, that would be A intersection what? B. For now, it's equals to X because we don't know. So for those who participate in only plan A, that will be 170 minus X. Minus here. Okay. And here will be 125 minus X. So that's basically, we've basically drawn our Venn diagram. So it's now time for us to find our X, which is those who participate in both payroll plan. So now, to do this, what you have to find out is that you have to add up all the sets here and equate it to the universal set, because universal set contains all of them. So if you add all these other sets, individual sets together, we have, how many sets are here? We have set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4. The universal set make it set 5. So if we add up all these other sets, they should be able to give us the universal set. So let's do that. We start from here. 170 minus X plus the next one, X plus 125 minus X plus the one that doesn't participate in any of the payroll, that's plus 35. All of them must give us what the universal set, which is 235. So let's open up and collect like them. You have okay, this is 170 minus x plus 125 minus x plus 35 equals to 235. So we collect like terms. So we have here minus x plus x minus x plus 170 plus 125 plus 35 equals to 235. So minus x plus x, this will cancel as 0. So we left with only 1 minus x, okay? Plus, if you add these 3, if you add that 3, that'll be 170 plus 225. That would be 295 plus 35. That's 330. 330 equals to 235. So minus x will now be equals to 235 minus, if this one comes, it becomes minus 330. So the minus x will be equals to what? Minus 95. So if you divide both sides by minus 1, because the coefficient of x is minus 1, minus cancel, minus become plus. So therefore, x equals to what? 95, which is the same thing as A intersection B. So that means the number of workers, employees that participate in both payroll is 95, and that's our option A.